The coefficient of x and the constant in a linear function expression give information about how the graph will look. Here is a linear function expression example. The coefficient of x is the value that's multiplied times a variable x, and the constant is the addition or subtraction of just a number. We can use the coefficient of x in two different ways. First, the coefficient of x will tell us if the graph from left to right is increasing or decreasing. If the coefficient of x is positive, then the graph is increasing. In this example, this is a positive 2/3, and that is why this graph from left to right is going up or increasing. If the coefficient of x was negative, then the graph would be decreasing from left to right. The coefficient of x will also describe the exact movement of a slope. The numerator gives us the exact up when it's positive or down when it's negative distance, and the denominator gives us the exact distance to the right. In this example, this is a positive 2/3. So the numerator, which is positive 2, tells us that we are going up a distance of 2, and denominator 3 tells us we are now moving 3 to the right. If we go up 2 more and 3 to the right, we are on the graph again. And this is the slope. We can continue to go up 2 over 3 and continue to stay on the graph. The constant in a linear function expression will tell us the exact location where the graph crosses the f of x axis. This ordered pair will always have a 0 in the x position and this exact value in the f of x position of the ordered pair. Because it's a subtract 4, then that means that this graph is going to cross the f of x axis at -4. So the coefficient tells us about the slope of a line, that it's either increasing or decreasing, and then we can use the numerator and denominator to know exactly how it's increasing or decreasing with exact distances. The constant will tell us the exact location on the f of x axis that the graph crosses through. Let's check for understanding. Will the graph of this linear function be increasing or decreasing? How do you know? The linear function f of x equals -1/4 x plus 5. A increasing or B decreasing? The graph of the function is blank because B decreasing. The graph of the function is decreasing because the coefficient of x is a negative number, -1/4.